Hello everyone, I am Virendra Rajput and you are watching CAD Learning Resources. We'll create this solid model using Creo Parametric 4.0. So take a new file. Here we'll give name model 5. Uncheck use default template. Click on OK. MMNS part solid. OK. Select front plane. Click on revolve and take a line command. Draw one horizontal line here. One small vertical line, one horizontal, vertical, here horizontal, one vertical line, and this we have to close this profile. Press middle mouse button, then click on dimension, select this, press middle mouse button, click here, middle mouse button, click, and click these two lines and press and hold control button, press middle mouse button, click, select this line, press middle mouse button, then select this line, press and hold control, and this line, press middle mouse button, select this line and middle mouse button. These are the required dimensions for generating this portion of this object. Then select this profile by dragging. Then from editing, go to the modify and check regenerate. So click here. So this is 106, actually this is 60 mm diameter. So we'll type here 30, enter. So it's 17.5, enter. 21, enter. This is 105, enter. This is 145, enter. Here 10, enter. OK. So profile is ready. Click on OK. Some of the time you may face this problem. Your revolution is not visible here. So it is because you have created the profile but not specified the axis of revolution. So no need to worry. Simply you have to click on the axis. So we'll take this x-axis for the revolution. Click here and you will get the job done. Okay, now click here, make shading with edges, click. Now select this face, extrude, and take corner rectangle, draw one rectangle here, one rectangle here, press middle mouse button, double click here 26, enter, here 26, enter, click on OK, flip the direction, remove material. OK. Now take this front plane, again extrude. Now take corner rectangle and approximately from here draw one rectangle up to the end line. Click here, press middle mouse button, now this distance is 64, enter, and this distance is 7.5, enter, click OK. Here from extrude from both sides and click on remove material, click on OK. Now select this face, extrude, and maybe we can reorient this. It's sketch here. We'll select this face and extrude. Okay. Now take center rectangle and from here draw one rectangle, press middle mouse button. This is 76, enter. Double click here, it is 74, enter. Then okay. So the thickness is 10, enter. Click. Now again take this face, click on extrude. Now take references, these two lines and this one line. Close, take circle, draw one circle here. Again one more circle, press middle mouse button. So this is radius 15 and this is diameter 10, enter. This distance is 43. Double click, type 43, enter. Then take line command and from here draw tangent. Similarly from the opposite side, tangent, press middle mouse button and close this profile, press middle mouse button, take delete segment and delete these two arcs. Press middle mouse button, this profile is ready for extrude. Click OK, reverse the direction and thickness 10, enter. Take. Now click on mirror and select this plane. Click OK. So this is how your object is created. You can click here standard orientation. Thank you for watching video.